Today, there is a beacon on the Black Sea, a beacon of hope, a beacon of possibility, a beacon of relief in a world that needs it more than ever. Let there be no doubt, this is an agreement for the world. It will bring relief for developing countries on the edge of bankruptcy and the most vulnerable people on the edge of famine. There is no solution to the global food crisis without ensuring full global access to Ukraine's food products and Russian food and fertilizers. In these trying and turbulent times for the region and our globe, let that beacon guide the way towards easing human suffering and securing peace.